Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I know the Galaxy S24 just launched, but Samsung is already hard at work on its next big thing. We've got some juicy rumors to share, so let's dive in. First up, AI features. Samsung went all in on AI with the Galaxy S24, and it looks like the S25 Ultra will take it even further. Expect more advanced AI capabilities to make your smartphone experience smoother and smarter and smarter. Now, let's talk cameras. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast some major camera upgrades. We're hearing whispers of a new wide-angle lens and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. Samsung is clearly aiming to set a new standard for smartphone photography, challenging Apple for the best camera phone title. What about the display? There's talk of a slightly larger screen for the S25 Ultra, possibly hitting 6.9 inches. And with Samsung's recent trend of boosting display brightness, we wouldn't be surprised if the S25 Ultra reaches new heights in screen performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run on the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Early benchmarks suggest it could match the performance of Apple's A18 Bionic chip. This means faster, more efficient processing, perfect for those new AI features. Battery life is another hot topic. The S25 Ultra might stick with the same 5,000 mAh battery as the S24 Ultra, but we're hoping for improvements in charging speed. Faster wired charging would be a welcome upgrade. When can we expect to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Samsung has been moving up its release dates, with the S24 launching in January. If this trend continues, we might see the S25 Ultra as early as mid-January 2025. Here's what we're hoping for in the Galaxy S25 Ultra: top-notch AI features, killer camera upgrades, a bigger and brighter display, and improved charging speeds. What's on your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. That's all we have for now on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon for the latest tech news and rumors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.